Jinan Jinshengsing Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. We have 20 years industry experience since 2006. At present, there are many agents and warehouses in Europe, Middle Asian and Southeast Asian countries. With brand of Huprocess Cnc, we register our new company in Bangkok, Thailand, build sales departments in Vietnam, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Pakistan. Superstar Cnc main products, including wood engraving Cnc Cnc router, panel saw, wood drilling Cnc edge banding machine, and other panel furniture making machine, stone engraving machine, stone cutting Cnc, foam engraving machine, hot wire foam cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, fiber laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, carbon dioxide laser machine, oscillating knife cutting machine. Advertising Cnc machines, metal letters making machine, acrylic letters making machine, glass cutting machine. All our machines have passed CE certificate. Our group has a team of quality inspectors to ensure quality and provide rich customer services such as label, package, color, size, and logo customization. So our team can accept the OEM and ODM according to your requirements. As a professional Cnc supplier, our group has an excellent team focus on product development. There are more than 500 workers, 50 sellers, and 50 people for after-sales service. Our group provides 24-hour online free service. About the local after-service, we can arrange our department persons to give you service in time. Welcome more cooperators in the near future. Superstar Cnc is your trustworthy supplier. Our group is looking for agents for a long time. Thank you.